How to remove Payout account on a Facebook page. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily remove the Payout account from your Facebook page. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So if you have added your payout method or your payment method for your Facebook page, for example, if you wanted to promote any kind of ad and now you want to remove it, first of all, open up your web browser and here you can just search for business.facebook.com and it will directly take you to the Meta Business Suite. Now once you get here, make sure to log into your account. And on the left side of your screen, you'll find different tools for your page management. Now you will find this settings option right here, click on it. Once you get to the settings, you'll find your business portfolio info, and then under users you'll find people, partner, systems, and under accounts you'll find all of these options. So if you have added any ad accounts, it will show up right here. Now you just have to scroll down a bit until you see billing and payment. Head over to that, it will take you to another tab and open another page. So as I said before, your ad account will be shown right here, and if you have any WhatsApp business account, it will show up right here. Just head over to payment methods and you will see all of the payment methods added for your business. So you can just tap on it to remove it from here. It's as easy as that. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.